It's October, which means I'm doing an October daily. So today we are on with the Paper Funday challenges, and the twist this month is to use the colors yellow, orange, and green. Well, I'm not going to do the twist. Instead, I have been given a design from colorofloveshop.com, and that is COLOUR. And the other sponsor is All Dressed Up Stamps on Etsy. So this is the project or stamped image, digital image that I chose to use on this page today. And I actually made an 8x8 size guide out of acetate to make this a little bit easier. So I took a piece of acetate that was regular 8.5 by 11, cut it down to 8x8, and then used a ruler and a Sharpie to draw the lines on the outside, and then just put 8x8 in there. So then, as I go throughout this month, I'm able to use my size guide to determine if my images and whatever I have planned are going to fit on an 8x8 page. So I printed this out specifically so it would fit. So I just wanted to double check, before I dived in. I am using the Simple Stories Spooky Nights collection, and that's where that paper comes from, and then all my embellishments. So I'm going to use a piece from their 6x8 pad that said Happy Halloween. I don't know where this is going to end up going in my album, but it is kind of fun to get this massive image on here. I am kind of sad that I'm going to be covering a little bit of my awesome coloring, but it's okay. Halloween. Double E-N. And then my exclamation mark. And my dot. So don't forget that you can still buy those digital images. Use them as a huge cluster on your page as the focal point. And then I am going to be using a sticker. So you know how I like the sticker guides from Happy Planner. So I've got my sticker. It's going to kind of go in that O, which I think is super cute, to kind of bring in that white down. And then this has a lot of orange, but this doesn't have much orange because I didn't plan it very well. So I punched out a couple stars from the branding strip so that I could add some orange on this other side here. And then I lost a star. There's supposed to be 3 little stars, so I might have to just punch another one. Not a big deal. And that is my page for today's layout. Super simple. Having this massive image from Color of Love shop really helped define where I wanted my piece to go. Still, again, not sure where this is going to go in my album. It could go later in the month. It could not. But super simple. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to check out Paper Funday Challenges blog. Comment on this video and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.